What's good, y'all? It's Kera here, back with another video. As you can see, I'm in the trap, and because we're going to be going on this whole business journey, you guys are coming with me. I want to do a little inventory unboxing. I got a lot of inventory here that I need to unbox, put away, get everything situated. My goal was to get my business started December 1st, but that's just not enough time for me to get everything right. So it's going to be launching January 1st. So let's get into this inventory unboxing and I'll tell you about, what's going on. So guys, where should I start here? All right, I'm gonna start with a little box. So this is from Save on Scents, and this is some of my fragrance oils. So what I'm going to be doing, and I'll show you the bottles that I actually got for my room sprays, but what I'm going to be launching my business with is pillows, room sprays, and candles. And then we're going to expand and explore and explode, sorry, from there. So these are some and I've just opened all the boxes so everything's easily available. So these are some of my fragrance oils. Both of these fragrance oils are for the room spray. Not gonna show you the names of those because that's my little secret. This one is for a room spray as well. I only use Save on Scents for room sprays because their fragrances are not really strong in candles. And I also bought some samples. I know I just said that I don't use them candles, but I bought some samples to try. I may try to do a Valentine's Day line. I'm not sure because if I'm launching in January, I just don't know if that's enough time in practical to do something for Valentine's Day, but we'll see. Ooh. So I'll let you know because this is a tester. This is apple, oh my God, excuse my nose. Apple mango. So I thought that would be a good Valentine's Day smell. Oh, that stinks kinda. This one is Crocodile Tears Candy Liqueur. The description sound like it smells good, but it's not hitting for me. Also got Blueberry Crush. What you guys think? It's alright. Then anything else in here? And y'all, your girl likes to save stuff, so I saved my packing peanuts so I can use them to ship orders. So I got my little trash bag here with my packing peanuts in here. I'm just gonna dump this. If I could get it going. Just dump those in there, and look at, I'm saving the earth from these packing peanuts going in the garbage. They're gonna be used again. And it saves me money. Okay, so I'll finish that later. You don't need to see me putting packing peanuts in a bag. Okay, so this is what I'm excited, oh no. Okay, not exciting. Fragile. This is what I'm excited about. So I have been stalking this website for these bottles that I want for my room sprays because I want them to be like luxury room sprays. I'm not going to call them luxury room sprays because no luxury brands actually call themselves luxury. It's the appearance of luxury. So with that being said, and I'm not going to lie, I kind of opened these already because I couldn't wait. But here is the bottles for my room spray. Guys, these are amazing. Look, 4-ounce frosted bottles. Like, these are, you're gonna get some bang for your buck with these. Like, Bed Bath & Beyond makes those little like 2-ounce sprays. Like, no, baby. With me, you're getting 4 ounces of sprays. And these are really hard to find and come by. So unfortunately, I'm not sharing my supplier for these ones. But do your research, you might be able to find them too. Then, I got these gorgeous gold pumps. Let me see, I can grab one. These gorgeous gold pumps to go with them. I think I ordered like 60 of these. Just look how gorgeous those are. I'm so excited to like get everything in production and take photos, and it's just gonna be amazing. So these go on top of here, and boom, you have my spray bottle. So I'm super excited about these, and I think they're gonna, what I'm gonna package them in is like nice silk bags with my logo on them. So just wait on it. And these are packaged really well. Like they have this like hard bubble packing, which I was nervous about them because they were so hard to come by. They were out of stock for like weeks, and then they finally came in stock, and I ordered as much as I could afford to, because you never know how stuff is going to work in your business, it's going to sell or not. So I ordered as many that I could afford to order. So yeah, I'm super excited about these. And then this order is from I have to edit that out. This order is from the jar store, and these are supposed to be the tops for my candles. So again, with the bubble wrap, let me move this out of the way. Alright, jar store. Move the bubble wrap. And these, oh baby, I'm just opening these and I'm not happy. These are supposed to be the lids for my candles, and they're supposed to be gold, but look at this color. I'm not happy with these, like, at all. Like, no. These look ghetto. Oh my god. They look so good on the website though. And then some of them are like busted. This is the first time I ordered from them, but like people and and they're just loose in here. Like they didn't even try to make sure these things weren't getting damaged. They're just loose in this box. And I'm not pleased with the color of these. They're like, I don't even know what to call these, but I'm not pleased. So I'm gonna have to, oh my god, look at these lids. They're like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to contact customer service and pull a Karen on them because I'm not happy with these. Jar store, man, I had such high hopes for them, but this kind of shows you that you can do research, you can look at pictures, you can try things, and stuff still may not be what you really want it to be. So it's all a learning lesson. I'm not too upset. These lids were like 50 cents a lid, I think. So I ordered 60 of them. So I only spent like 30 bucks plus shipping, probably like 40 something. But every dollar counts when you start a business, and they need to rectify the situation. So my next video, I'll let you know how it goes and if they have, pretty much if they have good customer service or not. Let's move this out the way, and then we go back to the jars. Ooh. So these, I ordered some more candle jars because I started using too many as testers. So I just ordered some more of these because I want to have at least 60 candles at launch. So I ordered some more of these from the Dollar Tree online. They're the rocks glasses. I mean, they're cool and I like them, but as I've done more research and stuff, like I found a great solution because again, like when you ship candles, you have to worry about glass breaking and blah blah blah. But I think I found a solution for myself that I can eliminate that fear and also have more steady supply of glass because we're in a panoramic, a pandemic, but we're, you know, there's glass shortages for everyone. So I think that this is going to be, is actually a good thing. It's teaching me that you have to think on your toes, and also lets me be creative because I'm a creative person. KreativeKera, you know the vibes. So this just gonna help me learn and grow. So yeah, but I got 32. I got 24 more jars I ordered. So that's that. And I'll be putting them on my little shelf over here, just filling them back up. But I'm excited to really get this thing started. And then my last piece of inventory is some more wax. Now, guys, I'm a little bit disappointed with this wax too. I bought 25 pounds of soy blended wax. It's called 6006, IGI 6006. So I ordered 25 pounds of this, and I started using some, but it's like not giving me the smells and stuff that I want. So I'm nervous that it's actually the wax and not me. I hope it's me, because I don't want to have all this wax that I can't use. And actually, I'm in like 1,000 Facebook groups for candle making, and another girl posted, I think it was today or yesterday, that she has having issues with her 6006 too, and nothing's changed. She's been making candles for a long time, so I'm hoping that's not the problem, but it's looking like at this point it might be the wax. So let's hope not. So I'm gonna keep testing. But yeah, after this, these are pretty much all my supplies that I need to get started. The only thing that has to happen at this point is, like I said, with these crazy looking tops, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make these work, if I'm gonna have to send them back or what, because gold tops for candles are really hard to find, and I thought like, oh, finally found some, they're a good price, blah blah blah. Nah, they look crazy. So I will be contacting the jar store. Like I said, I'll let you guys know how that goes. But this is kind of just like a little inventory unboxing. I hope to, well, I'm going to be rebranding my channel, so probably this will be like the last video under KreativeKera. And I hope that you guys, I'm going to do a whole rebranding video. So I hope that you guys enjoy this unboxing, and see like all what it looks like to get into a home decor business, candle making business, whatever you want to call it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.